Hello everyone and welcome back to another NavTech tutorial. Hope your day is going well. Today we're going to be taking a look at Premiere Pro cropping. I'm sure you've had this instance where you have a video, you want to keep part of it visible, or there's just something you want to hide and you think cropping it is the way to go. Very valid, very much a common occurrence. Today I'm going to show you how to do that in a very simple way where you don't need any extensions, you don't need any extra tools or anything. It's all built into Premiere Pro. All right, so let's get right into it. The first thing you're going to want to do is locate the clip in your timeline that you want to crop. So this is the image, the video, whatever item is in your timeline that you want to crop visually. Once you've located it, click on it like we did here, and navigate to the Effects panel. The Effects panel here, I have it pulled up to the right, but in case you don't see it anywhere on your workspace, you simply navigate to the menu here, click on Window, and make sure that Effects is checked. If it is checked but you can't see it, it's probably just hidden or docked somewhere. So just try to locate it within all these menu panels. And once you do, just click on it so it's visible. All right, so now that we're in our Effects folder or panel, we're going to locate the video effect called Crop. So click on Video Effects, and then an easy way to get to this one, and it's pretty neat tip that you can use and apply, is that you can search for it. So simply write crop in the search bar. Alternatively, just locate the transform folder and find the crop effect within that folder. All right, so now that we've located this crop effect, we're simply going to drag and drop it onto the clip that we want to crop or apply the effect to. All right, you might tell me nothing happened because we need to actually tweak some things before crop works. But trust me, the effect has been added to your clip. And so here's the next step to actually apply the crop that we've just added. Click on the clip or item in your timeline that you've just applied the crop to, and then you want to navigate to Effect Settings. Effect Settings is another panel similar to Effects, but it's actually one where you can edit specifically the details of every effect that's been applied to a clip. So to get to that, as you can see here, since I don't have it, I'm going to go to Window again, and I'm going to go to Effect Controls. Sorry, it was called Effect Controls. All right, so once we have the panel here pulled up, as you can see, there's now a crop effect that has been added. And now we have the freedom to actually crop our timeline item from different sides. So let me show you how it works. It's very simple to use. Simply select one of the sides and increase the percentage of cropping. And as you can see, it'll progressively be increasing the crop based on the percentage amount that you add. A quick tip, if you want to make this easier on yourself, you can literally just use these drag sort of handles on the sides to make it easier. And as you can see, the percentages are automatically updated to the left here based on what you're doing. So once you've cropped your timeline item, you're done. That's pretty much it. Just click somewhere else or navigate away from this clip control. And as you can see, we've cropped our video. Now, a quick tip, because I know some of you are probably a bit dissatisfied because you achieved what you wanted to achieve, but not all the way, because as you can see, we have these ugly black sides here, which you may want to keep. But if you don't, a quick tip to have this item that you just cropped be full screen or fill up the whole viewer is to double click visually on what you just cropped, the item here in the program preview, and to zoom in or make it bigger. So here, let me use the handles to make this easier for you all on PC, for example, because if you don't have a trackpad. So yeah, you can just make your clip a bit bigger so it still fills up the whole frame, but it's cropped. Yeah, and that's pretty much it. If you want a more standardized way to do this, you can use the Effect Controls panel again, just increasing scale or decreasing scale, and you can use the position figures here to change the position of the video. And that's how to crop a item in Premiere Pro. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please drop a like. And if you use Premiere Pro or any other software for video editing or beyond, please subscribe to the channel. I post a lot of these tutorials regularly, and I hope you find them helpful. So if you did, stay tuned for more. That's it for me. Have a good day.